Hi, welcome back. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be looking at sweeping profiles. Now, what you've done previously in an early on tutorial is you've drawn the profile, of a shape and you've extruded it to create a kind of a cuboid or a kind of prism of some description. What I'd like to do in this tutorial, looking at the sweep tool, is I'd like to basically take that profile and rather than it just extruding it in a single straight line, I'd like to extrude it along a path. Okay, so you can see here what I've already done is I've drawn out the path which I want my profile to extrude to basically sweep along. Okay, and you can see, so I've done that there on the top work face. And what I've also done is I've got a second sketch, and you can see the second sketch is the shape, the profile that I actually want to sweep along that path. Okay, so I've drawn this little circle here on this front sketch work surface here. Okay, all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the sweep profile tool. I am going to select the sketch region which I wish to sweep, which is just here. And then I can select the path which I want to sweep along. And there we can see how the sweep profile tool operates. Yeah, now just bear with me, I'll just finish this off. Go around, selecting each part of the path that you want to sweep along. I could then, should I wish to, I could take this edge and I could add a chamfer. Let's have a 3mm chamfer, fillet, along there. Not a chamfer, my mistake. A chamfer gives us an additional flat face, doesn't it? This is a chamfer. Yeah, just got a chamfer there, a fillet right there. And other things that you can do with the sweep profile tool. Okay, so I've swept along that one profile there. I've got sweep number 2. What I've done here is I have done a quick revolve of a cup and I'd like to add a handle to that. Now what I've needed to do, okay, is you can see there I've got my sketch in, using the spline tool. I've sketched in the profile, I've sketched in the path which I want to extrude my profile along, and then what I've had to do is insert an additional plane, and you can see there I've inserted an additional plane to this point, and on that plane I have drawn my circle. So I'll just show you here. If you take a look at it, you can see there's the circle on this additional plane which I've added, and now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to basically, you can see there I've swept along that profile there. I've then added a shell to hollow out the inside of the cup, removing any excess parts. But that is how you go about producing a sweep on a surface which isn't necessarily flat. Okay, and finally what we've got over here is number 3. All I've done on this example here is you can see I've got 3 different work surfaces or 3 different planes. I've got my front plane, I've got my right, and I've got the top. I've drawn something on each of those 3 work surfaces there, create 3 sketches. I've got a 4th sketch, which is where I created my offset plane to draw my profile on, and then basically I've swept along that path there to follow this in 3 different planes. Okay, have a go using the sweep tool. Like I say, try something like sweep number 1 first of all. Just draw out a simple profile, draw out a simple path, and then sweep that profile along that path. Okay, see how you get along with this.